Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get to your opportunities and explain a little bit about how it works and how they tie in with your contacts and companies. First of all, there are a variety of different ways to get to your Manage Opportunities page. There are a variety of different ways on the dashboard, but the easiest one is to go into the side navigation and click on Opportunities and then Manage Opportunities. Let's click on Manage Opportunities and we are now shown the Manage Opportunities page. This page or grid will hold every opportunity you have either created or imported into your CRM. And real quick on the note of creating, you are able to create an opportunity or anything using the universal create button. It's located here. Also, each individual grid has its own individual create button, which is located here. Either one has the same function for creating an opportunity, so it really is up to you. Now speaking of the grid, you can see the default grid columns. And then to the far right, we have the Actions column. In the Actions column, we have a view or preview that lets you see the opportunity details page, and then an edit icon so you can edit or update details, and then a remove option, which in case you want to remove an opportunity you accidentally created, or if you have a duplicate, you can always do it that way. And the great thing about the grid is that it can be customized. You're able to mix and match and maneuver which columns you want. To do that, all you need to do is go into the Actions button, right above the grid, and click on Manage Columns. In the Manage Columns page, all you need to do is drag and drop the column names around how you want them to display, and then click on Save. I have a couple more things I want to go over real fast, so let's get back to the grid. Now I want to go over the search button options for opportunities. Next to the Actions button we had talked about before, we have a drop-down that has all opportunities, and this drop-down allows you to select time frame of opportunities added into the system. You have all opportunities, which shows every opportunity, then you have the ones created this week and the ones created this month, as well as recently updated, which will show you the accounts that have been updated by means of adding or removing something within a 15-day period. To the right of that we have the actual search button, which is an advanced search within the grid. First we have you select one or multiple columns you want to search by. For example, if you're looking for the opportunity associated with a specific company, you would select that company. Then type in the name of the company and click search. Then all of the companies that are associated with that opportunity will pop up. There are a variety of different options and ways to search to narrow down exactly what you are looking for, so you can definitely use that for this. One last thing with the search by option. When you're picking columns to filter by, you can either clear everything by clicking on the clear button, or you can click on the trash can icon, which will delete that individual option or criteria. Now let's close with this. And the last thing I want to mention is don't forget you're able to click on the individual opportunity to get to their details page. I just want to go into more detail on that in a separate video since there are some pretty cool tricks and shortcuts you can use to view your information easier. And that wraps it up. Hopefully this quick run through helps you navigate and find your opportunities a lot easier. Thanks again for watching the video, and if you found it useful, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to know when a new video drops. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.